How to fix Facebook full screen issues on Android. This tutorial walks you through getting Facebook back to displaying correctly on your screen. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Facebook and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, reopen the Facebook app and check if the full screen issue is fixed. From here, if it's still not displaying correctly, open the Facebook app and tap on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. At this stage, tap on Settings. From there, scroll down and tap on Media. Look for the full screen videos option and make sure it is toggled on. Following this, go back to your feed and check if the issue is resolved. Finally, if the problem is still there, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open Facebook and it should be displaying correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the full screen issue on Facebook, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.